I'm Miss Green, and today we are talking about something many of you are curious about: teeth whitening. Whitening your teeth can make your smile look brighter and boost your confidence. Before starting any whitening treatment, it's important to visit your dentist. They'll check if your teeth and gums are healthy enough. Whitening damaged teeth can cause pain and sensitivity. Be careful with over-the-counter whitening kits. Some can be too harsh, leading to enamel erosion or even gum burns. Professional treatments are safer, more effective, and tailored to your smile. Even after whitening, habits like smoking or drinking coffee can stain your teeth again. Good brushing, flossing, and regular dental checkups are key to keeping your smile bright. Remember, a healthy smile is more beautiful than a rushed one. Stay smart, stay sparkling. See you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button for more updates.